What's up everybody, I'm Dave with QuickJack and thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be rotating tires. Tire rotations are one of those things that many of us just don't do because it's a pain in the ass. It's a pain in the ass to get your floor jack out, get your stands out, and get all four corners up at once. QuickJack makes that so much simpler. We just slide the frames underneath, get the car up, all four wheels come up at the same time, making it super simple to get your tire rotation done and done properly. So today we have a Kia Optima here. It's got a long wheelbase. With the long wheelbase, we're going to need the frame extension adapters, which we have right here, and our small lifting blocks. So what we'll do is go ahead and get this set up and get started. We're up, we're locked. Let's give it a little test shove. Solid. It's not going anywhere. All right, well that's it. We're all torqued up and good to go. The QuickJack is back down. All we have to do is slide it out and we're done. It's that easy. Now, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. We've got plenty more projects coming your way. And while you're at it, leave us a comment below and answer this. What is QuickJack gonna do for you? What projects are gonna be made easier in your life with this product? We'd love to know, love to hear your ideas. Thanks again for watching and we'll see you next time.